his father could have saved him, he chose to turn away because there had to be a sacrifice.